it very brief, but hands down, this is one of the best strategies that are very simple to use. I've used myself and I've caught some very good trades with this strategy. So let's get started, right? It is a very simple strategy. It requires just two indicators, one being the volume oscillator and second being the RSI zigzag. Now I'll explain to you how it works. First of all, if you know what volume oscillator does is, it regulates how volatile the market is at the moment, right? So pretty much when the volume is over this white line, as you can see, that means there's volume in the market, and that's when you want to take your trade. Now when your volume is below the line, that means there is very low volume and you do not want to take a trade. Now I'm going to show you how to use this in combination with the zigzag, right? Cool. So when you have a zigzag and it gives you a buy signal, you want to confirm if price is above the volume range, above this line. If it is, well, go on, take a buy, right? So it's a target, about 1 to 2 should be fine. If you can see right here, we had a zigzag up here, but our volume was below the line, so we did not take it, right? Right here, you can see we had a zigzag giving us a signal, and our volume was over the line. Therefore, we take the buy. You can see this one went even higher than anticipated, but yeah, cool. So you can see that is how simple it is, right? I've got strategies that I use myself. If you are interested, message me and I'll happily share them with you. Yeah, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.